born in 1963 in the slums of Brooklyn, New York. Many people must be aware of who the boy is, but then most of you will not know. He had four siblings, and his father's earnings were not sufficient to provide for the whole family. He grew up in very poor neighborhood, exposed to mindless violence, heavy discrimination and slums, and he saw himself a hopeless future. And that was a time when he was going to give up in his life, and he went to his dad, and he was like lost soul. He went to his dad and told, "Dad, what do you think my future will be? I am actually don't know what to do in my life. I think we are done." And while his dad saw this boy so miserable, his dad went to his room, got out a small piece of clothes, and asked the boy, "What do you think the value of this outfit would be?" And the boy replied, "Maybe $1, or maybe maximum or $2. That's all." Then his father asked, "Can you sell this clothes for $3? If you can sell it, it would mean that you are a big help to your family." Father gave a small purpose to the boy, and the boy told, "I'll try, Dad, but no guarantee that I'll be successful." So what does the boy does? He goes to his room, he washes the cloth, and they didn't have even iron to iron the clothes. So he leveled the clothes with a brush, and he used gadda and all those stuff to flatten the cloth, and he went to a crowded underground station. And वहाँ पे वो चिल्लाता रहा. He was just shouting this about this cloth, and for almost 6 hours he shouted. Nobody came, and finally he managed the clothes to sell for only $2. He took the $2 bill and ran home. After that, every day he looked for used clothing, washed it, ironed it, and sold it in the crowd. So like that, he started making some income out of it. And after more than 10 days later, his father again gave him a piece of used clothing, and he asked, "Son, can you sell it for $20? And the boy was like, "How is it possible? This outfit can only fetch me $2 at the most." And the father told, "Why don't you try it, son? एक बार try करके तो देखो. There could be a way." And the son goes to his room. For an hour he thinks, what can he do? What can he do about this cloth? And how can he sell it for $20? And suddenly an idea comes to his mind, and he thought of painting Donald Duck on that clothes and Mickey Mouse on the garment. So he paints that. Again went to the underground area. Could not sell there. Again he went out, and while he was selling in the streets and all, he found a small school, and that is where a big businessman's housekeeper was taking a small boy to a school. And that housekeeper saw this beautiful cloth, and that housekeeper bought this beautiful cloth out of $25. And the boy was super happy. And the boy went again to his dad, and the moment he went to his dad, before he shared anything, his father gave another piece of clothing, and he told, "Son, can you resell it at a price of $200, the same cloth?" And the boy was like, "Dad, are you crazy? What are you trying to do? This is not going to happen." He was about to give up, and then the dad told, "Why don't you give it a try, son? Just one more time." And this time the boy accepted the challenge. He went to his room again, started thinking, what could I do? And then took the cloth and was wandering in the streets and all. And at that time, a popular movie called Charlie's Angels was released, and the lady actress Farrah Fawcett was going around in the street nearby, was signing some signature in the press conference. And the boy slides to the crowd, and then came out of it and screams to Farrah Fawcett to just give an autograph. And the lady saw this cute innocent boy, goes to him, and then she gladly signs the autograph in the cloth. The moment that she signed, the boy was super excited, and he went outside, and he started shouting, "This this cloth is signed with Miss Farrah Fawcett. I'm selling it for $200." And he kept on shouting until a businessman sees, and the businessman pays $1,200. Can you believe it? He sells that particular same cloth, which was for $1, for $1,200. The moment he was returning home, he was completely happy, and his dad sees the boy, broke into tears, and he was like, "I'm amazed that you did it, my child. You are really great." And that night, boy was sleeping with his father, and father asked, "Son, in your experience selling these 3 pieces of clothing, what did you learn about success?" And you know what the boy replied? The boy replied, "Dad, where there is a will, there is a way." And his father nodded his head, He told, absolutely true, that is not entirely wrong, but that was not my intention. He told, I just wanted to show you that a piece of used clothing which is worth only $1 can also be increased in value. And how about us? Living and thinking humans? We may be darker or poor, but what if we can increase our value? The Wonder Boy. Can anyone guess who the Wonder Boy is? He is Michael Jordan. So Michael Jordan's it's real story, and I hope you got some idea because the kind of life he has gone through is terrible. I'm sure many better life, many better situations we had, but only thing what he did is to never give up and to work on his value, and that is where this book club PIM comes into the picture.